Got a CAS file from The Sims 4, Create a Sim demo? This contains custom sim characters from EA's character creation tool. I'm Evan Brooks, Certified Support Engineer, and I'll show you how to use these The Sims 4 Create a Sim demo files. We'll be comparing our manual fix to the final option, made possible by using just one industry-leading CAS file inspection tool that supports a vast library of file formats. A CAS file contains character data created with The Sims 4 Create a Sim demo. Players use this to design and save custom characters, sims, including their appearance, traits, and clothing. These files allowed users to save their creations and later import them into the full version of the game upon its release. The file is a proprietary binary format that stores a multitude of character variables, from facial feature slider values to clothing and accessory identifiers. This compact, structured data allows the game engine to quickly load and render the complex character models and their associated attributes within the game world. Technically, the best program for CAS is usually The Sims 4 from Maxis, Electronic Arts. Windows provides limited editing capability, so full functionality depends on dedicated programs. Windows shows only basic file information, so reviewing real content requires game supporting tools. The fastest route to success is testing all the options. Right-click the CAS file and hit Open With. Use The Sims 4 if installed. If not, choose another program. We must confirm the software handler. When your CAS file does not open, it is usually a small issue. We need to act fast after that failed attempt. Let's transition immediately into these 3 crucial steps for error isolation. First, importing in The Sims 4. Launch The Sims 4 in Access. Create a sim mode. Place CAS files in the appropriate Sims 4 user folder, typically documents Electronic Arts. The Sims 4 tray. The game recognizes the imported sims, making them available in the gallery section for use in your Sims 4 saved games and households. Next, sharing through gallery. Upload sims created from CAS files to the Sims 4 gallery feature accessible through the in-game gallery interface. This shares your sim creations with the global Sims community. Other players can download your sims directly through the gallery, making CAS file format mostly relevant for offline backup purposes. Finally, editing and create a sim. Modify imported sims using The Sims 4. Create a sim mode. Adjusting appearance, clothing traits, and other character attributes. Save edited versions back to your library, which the game manages through standard save game systems. The CAS demo format primarily applies to character template sharing rather than ongoing gameplay saves. If compatibility checks failed, it is likely because the file extension name is shared by different developers for unrelated formats, causing your PC to use the wrong reading language. Rather than guessing, you can try switching to a dedicated parsing engine that is built to identify file structures autonomously and may offer a better chance of opening stubborn formats. It's time for the master key. When the simpler solutions for your file were unsuccessful, you need the format-agnostic power of File Magic. Get the download link at filemagic.com. I appreciate you sticking around for the full guide. A quick like and subscribe helps me produce more content like this.